everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So, guys, I am sitting in my car and I'm about to go into the fitness studio. Yes. And today is day 29. Yes. Of my fitness journey. Yes. Yes. Okay, guys. So, I've been cheating a little bit. Just a little bit. Yes, a little bit. But nothing really bad. I don't know. My daughter opened up a bag of nuts and stuff, and I just went to town. Oh, I could not resist. I love nuts. What can I say? But I didn't. I just, I ate like a handful. It's not so bad. I didn't do any fitness really this weekend. The last day I did fitness was on Friday, and that was my little Tybo video. If you guys haven't checked it out, I know it's hilarious. Me doing Tybo, gosh. Guys, you have no idea how long I've been doing Tybo. Been doing it for a very long time. I believe since it first came out. I am still a true believer in the Billy Blanks method. Because you really do get a full body workout. But I must warn you, if you have weak knees and don't like a lot of jumping around, then this is not the video for you, because there's a lot of jumping. It starts off slow and then he goes into fast mode. Because in his theory, that's how you get off the calories, you got to work up a sweat. So, I definitely believe in that method. Of course, I am not like I used to be 20 years ago, but, I still give it my best and I still do what I can do, doing with the kicks and stuff. Those kicks will get to you, and those jumping jacks and squats. Ouch. But I tell you, they do get the results. You will see you'll start to see your body, start to tone up. So yes, I am a true Tybo fan, as you could say. Overall, what have I been watching? Oh, I've been watching a lot. I've been watching tennis games. Oh my goodness. I am such a big fan. I watched a live tennis game. What was it? It was broadcasting out of Miami. And it was an excellent game with, what's the guy's name? What's his name? Was it Christian Ruud? Was it Christian Ruud? And Carlos Alcaraz. Wow, that little boy. He is awesome. He is definitely going to be the next Nadal. I don't know if we got any tennis fans out here, but that game was really good. The guy's got skills. This Carlos Alcaraz, and he's only 20 years old. It's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And the other guy was from Norway. I don't know who he is, but he played a good game. But definitely no match for this Carlos. Only 18 and playing on the level that he's playing on. That's awesome. Wow. All the best. Guy coming out of Spain. Spain got it going on when it comes to tennis. Ooh. Yeah. What else? Yeah, and I binge watched this one series called What If with Renee Swellinger. Please forgive me if I'm pronouncing her name wrong. I might be pronouncing her name wrong, but I haven't seen anything from her lately. But really good series. I think I watched it in 2 days. Lots of suspense. It's something going on in every field, it's just a lot of surprises. If you guys get a chance, watch it. It is a must-see. It looks like B quality, and it probably is to a certain extent, but it's a very, very, very good series. Just started. This was the first season. There will definitely be a season 2. Like I said, lots of suspense, lots of like, oh my gosh, what? Oh my goodness. I don't want to get too much into details because I will tell you. Yeah, it's a surprise. If you like suspense and drama and a little bit of thriller, this is your series. Trust me. It starts off a little bit slow and maybe a little bit cheesy, but like I said, if you give it a chance, it is something to watch. Called What If. Very good. I can't wait till season 2 comes out. The season, this video, well, it looks like it came out in 2019. Doesn't have that many high reviews. I gave it a thumbs up. It's really good. Wow. All I can say is wow. And then I watched this really cheesy horror movie. I have no idea. It's actually was listed under the top 10 videos to check out. It's called Countdown. Guys, don't waste your time. I was just counting down like how long it's going to take for this movie to be over. It's so cheesy. It's a horror movie. It's so cheesy. It's about these young kids and there's this app that tells you when you're going to die. Super cheesy. Okay, don't waste your time. Okay? So, that's it. That's all I got to say. Either way, let me get into the fitness studio. The sun is out. I am so excited. It is not raining. Yay! I got my little colored glasses on. I love these. These are my favorite glasses. These aren't designers. I bought them in Fuerteventura. And I love these glasses. They are so cool. I've had them now for a few years, and I just love the fact. I like the yellow. So I'm always seeing yellow, bright color. So even if it's gray, it looks bright outside to me. So, however, yes, so I'm ready to get down and work off this peanut butt. Anywho, guys, yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to hear more from me, subscribe. I'm constantly uploading videos when I can, okay? When I can. I'm not doing it daily, but I do upload some videos. And yeah, this is my losing weight journey. And no, I have not gotten on that scale yet. I do plan to get on that scale, but yeah, I gotta see, when my pants start to feel a tad bit loose, then I know, okay, it's time for me to get on that scale. But up until then, I'm going to carry on with working out until I'm feeling good and confident. Yeah, that I can look at the scale and say, yes, okay, I've lost at least 2 or 3 kilos. But, like I said, when it comes to losing weight, it's not going to drop off quick. If it drops off too quick, it's going to come back quick. So it needs its time. So guys, if you're also losing weight, be patient with yourself and don't be too hard on yourself if you have some cravings and you want to dive into some gummy bears. It's okay. You're allowed to do that. I think it's unhealthy if you, start to say, no, I can't. No, just no, because that's unhealthy. Because once you do get that weight down, those cravings are going to come back and then you might indulge even more. So if you have a craving, if you want something, eat it. Just try to eat it in, small quantities, take maybe 10 gummy bears instead of taking a whole pack. You know what I mean? So either way. All right, guys, see you in a bit. Don't go nowhere.